Betsy Malloy. The original church at Mission San Luis Rey de Francia was designed to hold 1,000 people. Completed in 1802, it was made of adobe brick and had a tile roof. By 1811, the mission had grown, and Father Peyri started a new church, the one we see there today. It is 180 feet long, 28 feet wide and 30 feet high. José Antonio Ramirez came from Mexico to teach Indians construction techniques for the new church. Completed and dedicated on October 4, 1815, it was built with adobe, lime plaster, wooden timbers and included fired clay bricks and roof tiles. The building is built in a style called Spanish Colonial, a combination of Baroque and Classical elements. Detailed work on the church continued for 10 more years. By 1826, the quadrangle was 500 feet long on a side. In the front, the convento stretched 600 feet long with 32 arches. It had rooms for priests and guests. The mission also had an infirmary, women's quarters, storerooms, workrooms, orchards and gardens outside. The oldest pepper tree in California, brought from Peru around 1830, still grows in the quadrangle.